Grace Calderon, LPT. Julian James Video, LPT. Sarah Nicole Gan, LPT. Chiri Santiago, LPT. Christine Sudoy, LPT. Engineer Francis Ilandres II. Engineer Michael Somo. Kimberly Lee Ayugi, LPT. Crescencio Laveres, MAED. Sandy Magno, MAT. Arnold Turalba, MAED. John Piñano, LPE. Ladies and gentlemen, the administrative staff of Regency Polytechnic College, PSNP Secretary, Mary Grace Punsan, PS Mary Secretary, Jasper Porte. Ladies and gentlemen, our IT, John R.J. Apiado. Ladies and gentlemen, registered staff, April Joy Numanana, Joanna Castro Mayor, Miss William Kate Villaflor. Ladies and gentlemen, our curriculum development assistant, Rosel Pacovena, Kay de la Pina. Ladies and gentlemen, our office secretariats, Brenda Legarde, Leonica Limos. Our bookkeeper, Ms. Rhea May Ausan. Ladies and gentlemen, our ROTC and STP coordinator, second mate, Richard Lopez Sevilla. Our TESTA focal person, Rose Ann Robinos. Ladies and gentlemen, our accounting officers, Jubilin Diamos Romanis Bueno. Ladies and gentlemen, the librarian, Ms. Connie Belen Rocha. Document controller, Mrs. Lily Bastero. Ladies and gentlemen, administrative staff of Regency, Administrative Secretary, Shelby Gay Bastero. Ladies and gentlemen, the Dean of College Maritime Education, Captain Ignacio Amita, LME. Ladies and gentlemen, the department heads of Regency Polytechnic College, Senior High School Principal, Mrs. Emilia Balania. Hospitality Management OIC, Abigail Bacero. Criminology OIC, Discora Blanco Arkin, LPT. General Education Department Head, Jerlyn Bueno Pichico, LPA. Ladies and gentlemen, the BS Marine Transportation Department Head, second mate, Henry S. Pinson, MME. Department Head of Marine Engineering, Chief Engineer Pablo Ablona Jr. Ladies and gentlemen, our Chief Register Head of Regency Polytechnic College, Mrs. Madeline Henra Lagusman. Our Research Director, Mr. Albert Marquilla II. Our Discipline Marketing Director, Hilario Hirasta Jr. Our Guidance Counselor, Mrs. Analisa de la Zerna, LGC. Our Curriculum Director, Rolando Hillian, LDN. Our Awesome Director, JJ Visopares. Ladies and gentlemen, the Human Resource Development Officer, Jessa C. Canieso. Our Quality Management Officer, Engineer Roberto F. Santiago. Ladies and gentlemen, our Vice President for Academic Affairs of Regency Polytechnic College, Dr. Nina Y. Pastor. Ladies and gentlemen, our Chairman of BB Finance, Madam Gorgelisa Iscaro, Mr. Round of applause. And also our Executive Vice President of Regency Polytechnic College, Ms. Maribel Guillier. Ladies and gentlemen, our school president together with Mr. Speaker, Captain Luis Evidenti, PhD, our school president, Dr. Roberto Alves, coordinator, please a round of applause.